Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to turn on the dark mode of your Snapchat, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to tap your profile on the top left corner. And once you're on your profile, next, go to Settings. And once you're on Settings, scroll down until you find the App Appearance option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And after that, you will see options right here for the appearance of your Snapchat. So select the Always Dark option to turn your Snapchat into dark mode. And then tap Restart Now. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Snapchat's theme will now be turned into dark mode. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.